In 1981, Donna Griffiths from Worcestershire, England, began sneezing, and she didn't stop for nearly 3 years. Her record-breaking sneezing fit lasted for 978 days, with an average of a sneeze every minute for the first year. Doctors were baffled by her condition, and while it eventually subsided, her sneezing marathon became a worldwide sensation. Griffiths holds the Guinness World Record for the longest sneezing fit in history, and to this day, no one knows exactly what caused it.